Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck with today's quick tip. I want to introduce you to the new Haven vase from Smithers Oasis. It has an updated profile where you can see a little bit more of a geometric pattern. The choke on the top is a little bit tighter and you get a great flare on the base, so you're really able to spread your florals out. Here you can see how it creates a fabulous dozen roses. Look at the impression that you can get on how you can spread those roses out. And with the new higher petal count roses, to be able to see those heads and look into those versus the straight up rose designs that we've been doing for years. But let's just take a look at how we would create that. And to start off with, I'm not going to start with foliages. I'm going to start with creating a stem grid with the roses. So you would just come in and place those roses one over the other, and you're forming X's inside that vase, and you can see how you can get a great flare on this. Just coming across, and so this is like the first half dozen here. And now at this point is when I would add some of my base foliage. And once I have that great grid there, then that's going to help me as I'm putting in other florals to make sure that that foliage doesn't go down into the water. With the tighter choke, you're able to use a little bit less of that base value foliage to be able to create your compositions. And you can come in with a little bit of coloring on the outside with some novelty greens to be able to really show a great design. So here you can see how easily you get that flare and how it comes together. So this is the Haven vase, and I would bring them in and start doing your dozen roses and delight your customers. I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates, and I hope I inspired you to create some fabulous florals.